Now, Fox 17 News at 9.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Kim Hessel. A Metro police officer is allegedly attacked tonight by a rock-throwing woman. And coming up, Middle Tennessee offers its help to victims of Hurricane Charlie.
And a few of you saw showers or maybe a thunderstorm in the area, but most of us had a beautiful day, blue skies and a few clouds. What's it going to do tomorrow? I'll tell you, coming straight ahead.
And for a check at our weather forecast, let's check in with Kirk Harnack. Kirk?
Well, thank goodness we're not getting the kind of rain they're getting in South Carolina and they had in Florida. We've just had a few smatterings of sprinkles here and there. They are getting a few showers just east of Clarksville, headed over toward the Portland area this evening. But most of Middle Tennessee is rain-free. A lot of that rain that's showing on the radar is actually not hitting the ground. But just north of Nashville, there's a little bit going on. Yeah, out here, you can really see now what is now Tropical Depression Gaston well into South Carolina, just moving up into North Carolina. And we understand that Tropical Storm Gaston has dumped upwards of 15 inches of rain in some parts of South Carolina, and just 30 miles away, a third of an inch. So it's really cutting a thin corridor of rain through South and North Carolina. Take a look at the whole eastern United States. Actually, some bad weather's been going on up here in Minnesota, but over in the far northeast corridor here, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, some severe storms going on up there in contrast to our relatively mild weather here in Middle Tennessee. And there's Gaston, well inland and being downgraded from a hurricane to a tropical storm and on down to a tropical depression. Here's its expected path over the next 24 to 48 hours. Just going to dump a lot of rain into now North Carolina and Virginia. There's another hurricane that may cause some worry in a few days, by the end of this week, in fact, for Florida, and it's Hurricane Francis. It is a full-fledged hurricane, going to be moving north and northwest, just north of Puerto Rico and also north of Hispaniola. So we'll keep an eye on that for you and probably talk to you about it near the end of the week if it continues to move along. And one more to mention, and that's Tropical Storm Hermine or Hermione or Hermine, whatever's your pleasure. It's not going to do much except make some waves and give some rain to the far east coast there, the outer banks of North Carolina probably. Closer to home, how about Nashville? High today, 82 degrees in Nashville. Low this morning was 70. Average for this date, 86 and 66. Our record high for this date was 100 degrees back in 1897. Precipitation, there was just a trace of precipitation today at the airport for 4.24 inches so far for the month. Air check. Well, good news. Ragweed is actually down, so we have a good quality today. Tomorrow's forecast for air check for air quality is also in the good category. Right now in Nashville at 76 degrees. Our winds are northwest at 3. Humidity is at 73%. The pressure is 29.97, and it's on the rise. Here's tomorrow's forecast map. This cold front that pushed through last night and today becomes a stationary front, and to the south and east of that, good chance for rain all through that area. For us, just some lingering clouds for tomorrow, and then the sun starts to come out by late tomorrow and will linger with us for a few days. Our next weather maker is this little cold front, not real powerful, going to bring us a little bit of a chance of precipitation closer to the end of the week. Here's our futurecast, and you can see overnight tonight just a little chance of precipitation here in Middle Tennessee, and that moves on out, and we run out of our chances of rain by sometime tomorrow morning. Here's our temperatures around the area for the night. 64, Lebanon 64, Franklin 63, Clarksville. These temperatures all in the mid-60s for us. Then for tomorrow, we're going to be in the low 80s. Actually, a beautiful day all across Middle Tennessee for tomorrow. Tonight's specific forecast, scattered showers, 64 degrees, winds northwest at just 3 to 5 miles an hour. School bus forecast tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., mostly cloudy and 66 degrees. Now, the 7-day forecast, 82 degrees for Monday with partly cloudy skies. There may be a chance of a lingering shower early in the morning, and I mean like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. Tuesday, Wednesday, beautiful sunny skies, highs in the mid-80s. And for Thursday, clouds come back in. By Friday, we do have a small chance of showers coming back in on Friday.
I tell you, it was humid today.
It was.
Big time.
It was, yeah. It's going to be nicer, though, tomorrow.
Good thing.
Humidity's going to go down.
All right, thanks, Kirk. And thanks so much for watching Fox 17 News. Join Charlie and Kelly for Mornings on Fox. We'll see you back here tomorrow night at 9 o'clock.